Buongiorno a tutti, mi chiamo On, sono contento to be a new producer of the show La Mappa Misteriosa. I'm very thankful for the opportunity and I feel so excited. Today, I have two main points. One was the ending, spoiler alert. Two is about how I would improve this. Let me recap the hints from the last four episodio. In episodio 9, we got vignetta and photo di Giovanni again. In episodio 10, we got Renata was sulla strada giusta, and between due alberi there's una torre. In episodio 11, we got the clue, la torre was actually il castello, and in the last 12, episodio 12, we got the castello was il castello di Sant'Agata, and the ricetta was right there. After all, Renata ho trovato suo padre by finding something, and she gave me la ricetta e la mappa as a kind of tokens. Basically, Giovanni left all these clues to let Renata and us to find the clues. It's because these clues he intended to include all of them to. As a matter of we were traveling to find all these items, and all these items they formed la ricetta. So that was why Renata had no more use of the ricetta and la mappa. Everybody can do la torta di segreto basically. So so Paolo actually made an offer to me, but it wasn't that much worth the money. So that didn't have to be the offer. So Paolo ended up was kind of fine with that. So that's why Renata in the ending invited me to the party, and Paolo was there too. Simply because there was no more fight about the ricetta. Everybody knows the ricetta anyway. If I'm gonna spice up this show, I'm gonna do two things. One, there should have been another fight, and the mappa should have been torn apart in half. There should be no ricetta. In Nel Castello, there should be nothing to be found. Perché? Perché the entire journey it was about finding happiness along the way, traveling, having friends, finding the ingredienti. It is all along the way. There's no need for a ricetta nel castello. The ending was basically Tutti hanno trovato la ricetta di segreto. Tutti, no exception, even Paolo, even the guests. So I really didn't get how in the party Paolo was still like, maybe he really spent too much time and so on this. All I can say is, i soldi, you can buy some happiness, but not all the happiness. I can't wait to be part of the new production crew, and I look forward to seeing you. Arrivederci e a presto.